Do you know of a common belief that many teachers have about having a YouTube channel? Many teachers think that the only reason why they should have a YouTube channel is so that they can upload their pre-recorded videos to it and share it with their students. But that's not true. There are many other things you could do with your YouTube channel. Let's understand that in this video. We all know that there is a wide variety of great quality learning content available on YouTube. And as teachers, we can use these videos to teach our students using Google Classroom. Consider this situation where you want to create your own collection of videos about a particular topic for your students. What you need to create then is a playlist. It's nothing but a collection of videos about one topic. Now you could add your own videos to your playlist, or you could also add videos created by other creators to your playlist. Let's focus on the latter here. How do we add other YouTube videos to our playlist? It's very easy. We search for the video first. Once you pick a video, you should watch it to make sure it's a good quality video that is appropriate and relevant for your students to watch. At the bottom right corner here, you will see the Save button. Clicking on it will show you this screen. You can then create your new playlist by clicking here and then providing a proper name to the playlist. Just like this name, you could have a playlist name like 8A Math Linear Equations. This playlist will contain all the videos you curated for this particular chapter. You can either keep your playlist public, unlisted, or private. If it's public, it means anybody on YouTube will be able to see your playlist. If it's unlisted, it means only the people with your playlist link will be able to see it. And if it's private, it means only a few people you have shared it with will be able to see your playlist. The second and the third options come in handy when you want only your students to watch the videos in your playlist. Let's keep the playlist public for now. Now, if you want to add a second video to your playlist, then you pick your second video, click on Save, select the playlist, and it's done. You can see your playlist on the left here, and you can always edit or delete your playlist whenever you feel like. You can also change the name or shuffle the order of videos, or even add a description for your playlist. When you go back to your channel page by clicking here, you will see your playlist stored under the Playlist tab here. But if it was unlisted or private, you wouldn't see it here. How can I share this playlist with someone else now? One simple way is by using the right-click option here and clicking on Copy Link Address. To test the link, you could just open a new tab and paste the link in the address bar. Once this link is pasted in the address bar, the first video will start playing and you will see the list of other videos in a sequence on the right. After the first video ends, YouTube will automatically start playing the second one. What else could these curated playlists help you with? After you conduct a class or a live session, you could share your playlist link with your students. Now that playlist could cover topics that you have taught in your class or the topics that you're going to teach in your upcoming class. With access to videos about the material you teach, your students will be able to review topics at their own pace and will also be able to bring their doubts and comments to class. All of this will immensely improve the learning outcomes for your students. But before you start curating videos for your students, there's an important thing you need to know about searching for videos. What do most of us do when we want to search for a video of a particular topic? Well, we enter the title in the search bar, look at the list of videos that appear here and select one of them, right? Have you ever noticed this filter button? It can help you filter your search based on the parameters you want. Let's think of a few examples. What if you didn't want to watch the videos that were uploaded many years ago? What if you just wanted to watch the videos that were recently uploaded in the last 12 months? In order to do that, you just have to click on this here. And all the videos you see would have been uploaded in the last 12 months. So you can select the latest videos, which will most probably have the latest information for your students. Sometimes you may want to share an entire playlist of videos created by others with your students, with your fellow teachers, or maybe even your friends. Then you just have to click on Playlist and you will get access to all the playlists that your creators have created. This playlist has 9 videos, this one has 19 videos, and so on. You can just do a right click here, copy the link, and share it with whoever you like. Okay, what else? If you wish to watch short bite-sized videos, you can click on this button here, and all the videos you see will be less than 4 minutes in length. What if you want to see the videos which have many views? Then you click on filter and then sort by views, and you will see the list of videos sorted by the number of views. So the filter button helps you filter the videos that you're looking for. Okay, what else? As content consumers, we always have preferences. You may like the content delivered by a few certain channels, and YouTube gives you this option to subscribe to those channels. Once you subscribe to your favorite channels, whenever they upload videos, you will be notified of them. And that helps you stay updated. All you need to do is search for the channel you like and click on the subscribe button here, and then click on the bell icon to make sure you receive the notifications. This isn't the only way though. Say you search for a video, and while watching it, if you end up loving the content, then you can also click on the subscribe button you see here. So these were a couple of ways to subscribe to your favorite channels on YouTube. Going back to your channel will show you the list of channels you have subscribed to in the channels tab here. It may take some time for them to appear here. Alternatively, you can also see your subscriptions here on the left side of the screen. Every time these channels upload videos or share a post, you will be notified if you've clicked on the bell icon. These are some of the things you can do with your YouTube channel apart from uploading videos to it. In the next video, I will give you tips on how you can shoot videos at home without really investing any money. See you there.